What is up, guys? Josiah Hine coming at you with another vlog. I got a new whip. Well, it's not really my whip. I'm going to talk to you in this video about vehicles and how to get bang for buck in the real world. It's Car Chats with Hine. Guys, the number one tip for me with cars is save money. I see so many people spending so much money on cars, and like, people are always asking me, Hine, how do you travel? Well, dude, you drive a $25,000 car. I drive a free car right now. So I have $25,000 that you do not have to travel. Okay? Now, that is the difference, guys. I still do not understand, unless you are desperately trying to keep your wife or young child safe, then maybe get a safe car for, I don't know, $3,000, $4,000, okay? But people spending 20 grand on a car they can't even sleep in. If you're gonna spend 20 grand, get a camper van. Get something you can use. And like walk past it. Or like run these, you're doing these like shots. Guys, listen, you don't need a good car. You need to enjoy life so you can afford drones like this. Otherwise, how are you gonna get that shot, huh? How are you gonna get this shot? Okay. Alright, so getting back to cars, I'm bringing in Paul Idstein, the legend. This guy's bought over 4 cars in your life.
Oh, dozens.
Dozens of cars. You got any final tips, maybe tips for the viewers here?
Well, just start small. I started off with a Morris Major Elite and it was $340. So why would you spend any more than that? Well, I have since, but as you said, family, children, keep them safe. They're all still alive, so that's a good sign.
That's good, eh? Alright guys, fix the car yourself. Before you take it to a mechanic, YouTube it. I replaced my brakes, you can get a new radiator, just do it yourself. All these things save you cash, and you learn lots. I know more about cars than a lot of my friends just from YouTube, just like this video. Maybe it teaches you that you should save money. I actually got that car from Instagram stories. A friend of mine DM'd me after seeing my car was written off and was like, hey, do you want to use my car? I'm like,
why wouldn't you?
Duh, no brainer. Come on. And yeah guys, so listen, be vulnerable. Like if you're going through something, let the world know, hey, I'm struggling, my car broke down. All that stuff is great story. And you didn't know this, but Friday, the car blew up, I had to hitchhike to school, then I had a funeral, then I lost my sports team. It all happened in one day. It was just...
Wouldn't have happened if you had an expensive car. Wouldn't have happened, would it?
Yeah, or if I just didn't bother getting out of bed that day.
Exactly.
Just one of those days, you know? No, but you know, all right. And guys, listen. You guys are amazing. I want to recommend to you that you think very hard about the car you're gonna buy. I would say never buy a new car, like ever. That is just the rule.
Loses the value as soon as you walk out of the showroom.
Yeah, not a good idea. So what we want is a car that is not gonna depreciate. So already buy a cheap car and it can't go much further. And that's really a financial decision.
Are you saying it won't get much further as
down value?
Oh, I say, yeah. Right, yeah.
Right now I'm thinking about a van that I can sleep in the back. And like I told a few of my students that and they just couldn't comprehend. They're like, so are you homeless? And I'm like, no, I just want to sleep in the van, like if I go on a road trip. So, but don't you have a house, Mr. Hine? And I'm like, yes, I have a house. I just want to sleep in my car.
I had a Ford Escort van one time, the Ford Escort. It was a panel van, black curtains, wide wheels, and the gear stick used to come out. So that was an added extra. It used to provide additional air. Yeah. But it also gave me a look at the road firsthand, and it was a collector's item. So that was something I'll never forget.
Boom. Guys, I'm going to tell you the advantage of buying a cheap car as well is if if I bought a $2,000 car, but did $4,000 of damage to the transmission, I can just write that car off and buy another $2,000 car with a good transmission, and I've actually come out cheaper than I would have if I bought a $4,000 car with a $4,000 transmission fix or something like that, or a $10,000 car with a $4,000. So you still actually, yeah, if you buy good cars, like in Australia, Toyota, really reliable in this heat. I don't know why. In Canada, Toyotas aren't very good, but in Australia, they're really good.
I have a Toyota Camry.
Yeah, the Camry.
Fantastic.
You're a Camry man.
Goes forever. Camrys,
Dude,
fantastic.
They're good cars, especially
Yeah.
first car.
Yeah, the last 2 cars have been Camrys, both black.
Serious? Mm-hmm. What year?
Oh, 2007 or 8, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a bit younger.
Yeah.
It was a bargain, so I couldn't resist. It was waving at me in the car yard, you know.
Car yard.
Yep. So it's been good. We've
Yeah.
been travelling all around the outback of Queensland.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's good. And you know, if we had to sleep in it, it'd be very comfortable.
That is good.
It would be.
Get a Camry, y'all. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you're keen to subscribe, see more videos like this, smash that subscription, hit that little bell icon to give you the notifications of when I upload, otherwise you're gonna miss a few. And if that's important to you to not, you gotta hit that baby, you feel me? All right guys, this has been a vlog about cars, car times with Hein. Jesus loves you. As always, Josiah Hein out.